The solstice is an astronomical event that takes place 2 times a year, during the summer and during the winter. These days mark the longest day and the longest night of the year respectively. The solstice can happen anywhere from the 20th to the 22nd. Humans actually began to notice the solstice happening during the ending years of the Stone Age. It also goes by some other names, such as Midwinter, Yule, and Joel. Although Yule is not widely celebrated in American culture, it is in some other cultures, and I would say it's past its prime celebration. This holiday does stand out from the rest of the holidays, however. To begin, this event has been happening since the beginning of time and isn't closely tied with any religion, much like other holidays we celebrate throughout the year. The earliest known celebrations of the solstice are found in Neolithic monuments. Newgrange in Ireland and Maeshowe in Scotland are both aligned directly with the sunrise of the winter solstice, while Stonehenge in England is aligned with the sunset of the midwinter. This lets us know that celebrations or rituals must have taken place as the first time humans have recognized the solstice. The solstice is celebrated by a multitude of cultures such as Roman, Scandinavian, Wicca, and the Incas. History shows that Romans celebrated the solstice through Saturnalia, which was a pagan festival which lasts for a week, in which there are festivities to celebrate Saturn, the god of agriculture. During this time, Roman social culture was turned upside down, and slaves would be masters, and the masters would be slaves. Essentially, the city was run by people who would be considered peasants. On top of this, businesses and schools were shut down so that everyone could enjoy the fun. In addition, on the 25th of December, Mithra, the Persian god of light's birthday, is celebrated. Next is the Scandinavians. They celebrated midwinter by burning Yule logs. They would start feasting when the Yule log was lit and feast until the Yule log was completely burned out. This sometimes could take up to 12 days. Then comes the Incas. With the celebration called the Inti Raymi, they celebrated this holiday by feasting 3 days before the solstice, and on the morning of the solstice they would wait for the sunrise. When the sun rose, they kneeled before the sun, making a sacrifice to it. They did this celebration until the Incas were conquered by the Spanish and the Inti Raymi celebration was banned. Lastly is the Wicker Religion. This religion originated in Germany and is celebrated by gatherings, which often involve meals and gift giving. It is known as the rebirth of the great horned hunter god, who is viewed as the newborn sun. Throughout the history of this holiday, it has been celebrated in many different ways by many different cultures, and has a trend of being celebrated by polytheistic religions, in which it praises the god of sun. This astronomical holiday has been here long before us and will remain long after us. Prepare to celebrate your midwinter this year on December 21st.